Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. We're starting in a comfortable cross-legged position. Close your eyes as you take some deep breaths. Slowly begin to walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold, relaxing your upper body. We slowly rise back up, coming into a side body stretch, lifting the left arm up and over. Reach your left arm up and back behind you. And now reach your arm forward as you fold over your right thigh. Let's come back up for a side body stretch, lifting the right arm up and over this time. Reach your right arm up and back behind you. And now reach forward, folding over that left thigh. Come back up as you straighten your legs in front of you. Interlace your fingers together as you press your palms forward. Come into a seated cow pose as you arch your back, looking up, reaching up. Seated cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin towards your chest. Again, seated cow pose. And cat pose. One more time, cow pose and cat pose. Lower your hands to your feet or your legs for a forward fold. Slowly come back up as you open both legs, coming into a straddle position and forward fold. Relax your upper body. Let's make our way into a tabletop position on hands and knees. Cow pose, drop your belly low as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Cow pose. And cat pose. Come back to tabletop as you reach your right arm up to the ceiling. And now reach back and down and forward and back up. Take some circles with your hand, and you thread the needle, sending the right arm behind the left wrist. Reach your right arm up one more time and lower it down as you reach your left arm up this time. And then you reach back, down, and back up as you take some circles with your hand. Thread the needle. Lift your left arm up one more time, and you lower it down. Now let's step our right foot forward, coming into our lizard pose. So we are sinking deep into this lunge, and it should feel a little bit more comfortable because we're on the bed. Half splits, shift your hips back as you straighten your front leg, flexing your front foot. Rebend your front knee for lizard pose, and this time you have the option to lower down onto your forearms. Make your way back into a tabletop position. Now let's step our left foot forward for lizard pose. Half splits, straighten that front leg, flex the front foot. Rebend your front knee, this time lowering down onto the forearms. Come back into a tabletop position, and now a child's pose as you sit your hips back onto your heels, and you can open your knees a little bit wider. Make your way onto your belly. Begin to straighten your arms, maybe dropping your head back, moving the shoulders around. Let's lower back down, and we're going to end by resting our right cheek on the backs of our palms, taking some deep breaths. Take one more deep breath in through your nose. Now let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.